Testing, testing, testing. Hi there, guys. My name is Rohan Beve, and today we are going to be talking about raised bed farming. Today we're going to be talking about what is raised bed farming, okay? So have you ever wondered, okay, how farmers yield more crops, and these crops are more healthier, and they have less back pain, all at the same time? Have you ever wondered that? Well, there is an answer to it, and that is raised bed farming. But what is it, you might be asking, okay? So what it is basically it's crops that are grown in soil higher than the ground, okay? The frame that is used to keep the soil higher from the ground is either made out of wood, metal, and concrete, okay? One of those three. The measurements of one can be up to 6 to 24 inches tall and 1 meter thick. This is made like that so that way it's easy to reach from any side, okay, without stepping in the soil, making the soil light and awry, okay? Now, the one thing that makes raised bed farming so successful is the soil. The soil is composed of a few things, okay? It's composed of garden soil, compost, and some sand. And these are all mixed together to create the perfect blend, okay? This is what this is basically what makes this bed farming so successful. And speaking of, what are the benefits of raised bed farming to begin with? One, they have better drainage. Two, they have less weeds, okay? Three, they have easy access, okay? Four, faster warming in spring, okay? And five, they have better pest slash disease control, okay? Those are some of the benefits of raised bed farming. Now we're gonna show you how to make your own. First, find a sunny location. Two, build a frame, 12 to 18 inches for vegetables, by the way. Three, add lining if you want to block weeds, okay? Add a lining. Then fill your soil mix, okay, your custom soil mix that was stated before. And five, plant, mulch, and water all your plants. And that's basically how you make your own raised bed farming, okay? Or your raised bed. And that's basically what raised bed farming is. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video and hope to see you next time.